Hello friends, today I'll share with you my mom's pound cake recipe. Brush the cake pan with the butter, then dust it with the flour and set it aside. Here I have flour, baking powder, salt and powdered vanilla. Here I have room temperature butter. First, mix the butter until it's nice and creamy. Then add sugar and mix. Add eggs, add milk. If you have liquid vanilla, you can add it this now. Then add all the flour all at once and mix. Bake at 350 for about 35 minutes and tap it a few times so the large air bubbles will escape, and let it cool down completely before you take it out. This is chocolate ganache. You have the link there to learn how to make it, and I will garnish with some chopped pistachio. And thank you for watching.